Hello friends, today I'm working on a Husqvarna 125B leaf blower. It's just a couple years old. I'm trying to start it and it won't start. Feels like the compression is low. And here, let's have a look. Yeah, as you can see, the compression's only a little over 65 pounds, which really isn't enough for a two-stroke motor. But let's get in and have a closer look at it. You can get into the muffler side by removing the muffler plastic shroud here, and you look and look, you can't find any screws or bolts holding it on. That's because it's a snap cover. Let me show you the quick and easy way to get the snap cover off. You might see these little clips on this side and think that you gotta release those and pull it out, but the best way is from the side right here, right in front of the screw over the shroud. Stick your screwdriver down in here and pop it upward, and the whole cover will pop off. Then lift it up and snap, lift the back side up, pull it away. Now you can get at these two Allen head screws, or hex screws, that go down through the muffler itself and remove both these screws. You'll have a clear view of the cylinder and piston going up and down. Let's gently pull it over and have a look inside while the piston goes up and down. And you know, it doesn't look damaged, but you can feel it feels kind of rattly. I can't actually see anything wrong with it damage-wise, but the ring looks to be compressed, possibly stuck. I sprayed a little solvent in there to try and break up the carbon on it, but to take this whole thing apart and try and free it up, I'm not sure if that's the only problem. I'm just not sure if it's worth it. And to replace this cover, it's just the opposite. This side with the lip on it that goes under, you're going to want to line this up here and then slide it upward like so until you can push the bottom part down in, which usually takes two hands, like so. And then give it a nice wrap on this side, and your two little snap clips on this side will snap into place, and the cover is back on just like it was from the factory. And I'm afraid this unit is going to have to be replaced because I just don't see taking it apart and trying to check it out for the small amount of value that this would have as opposed to buying a new one. But now you know how to take it apart and check it at least. And thanks for watching. Have a great day and bye for now.